Your home is an investment and thus deserves the best care possible. Years of algae, moss and lichen buildup creates a dull and lifeless roof overshadowing the beauty of your home. Our comprehensive exterior cleaning will rejuvenate every inch of your home. Our experts will carefully remove dirt, mildew, and other contaminants, leaving your home looking fresh and vibrant. Don't let a dirty roof or lackluster exterior diminish the beauty of your home. Contact us today to schedule your high-pressure roof cleaning and complete exterior cleaning appointment. Let us bring back the shine and transform your home into a neighborhood gem. Ready to experience the Dirtbusters difference? Contact us today for a free quote and let our reliable team transform your property.